Alright, y'all, so this week's lunch, I'm gonna do some roasted broccoli and sweet peppers with some roasted seasoned potatoes, and I'll eat that with masala dressing. So that's lunch. Breakfast most likely will be like cricks and tea without sugar. Dinner, I'm gonna have to figure out because I don't know, I might just do some boiled eggs or something, but that's how we looking this week. No, I haven't started exercising yet. Don't worry, no, I go just pop out one of these months and sis will look cute. Or at least like let you all see stuff when I actually start and like 2 to 3 months in. But as it pertains to the food part of things, okay, sis. You get the mommy get the strawberry shaken lemonade. Yeah, cause it had the frozen one. And I get a iced caramel macchiato with vanilla sweet cream, vanilla sweet cream cold foam, and oat milk. What am I here? You know, let's know. It's been a week. All the situation people were small. Look who I went to earlier. I didn't see you forever. Last time I see you, we wasn't the people boozy. Yeah, for real. Boozy. Oh, no, Boozy was before my birthday. So yeah, all we come to get something to eat. I just come back from my apartment, mommy. So just want to get something to eat and then look to bus back out of you. Actually, I want to check my to see if they get back the $5 down. Face masks. See if they restock. You know, I've never been inside of here. Never in my little life. I've always seen it, but I just never came in. There was silos, y'all. As well, this is one take out. This thing over here, it has been a month. So about that time. Because when the time my hair started hurting when I put it up in one, I just knew it's time to take out braids. So it's going out. And I'm gonna start to use my new tripod. I mentioned this in an Amazon haul. Oh, look at how nice and small it is. Nice and small and unassuming. I'll leave the link for this down below. And it goes up to either 60 or 72 inches. I will look back at the thing. And of course, there's one for my phone because, you know, I film my phone. Look at how cool. Like, that's the part to put your phone in. I don't want to redo the what you call them, the little thing with this again, and this is the remote, so that you're able to like click to do stuff if you're by yourself, which is me most of the time. So yes, I'm gonna organize that to settle it up and start to take out this. When I take this out, I want to review like a replica of the Unbrush that I have on TikTok. I see Pennywise had something close to it, so I bought it. And I have 2 hair reviews coming up. So one for Forest Head Queens and one for Zia's Hair and Nails, her hair care product line. So you'll have some videos coming out. Whoa. But the one for the brush will be in this video because honestly how it looks like with my hair. So let me first get you all up and then take out my hair, do my wash day, well wash evening, and come back to you with that brush. That little 8-second clip or just CD was 5 minutes real time of me taking out one of these things. Although this is why I don't leave these in my hair very long. Even last week for my birthday, when I leave that soft locks in for like the 2 months and a half. Yeah, you would think I learned my lesson, right? Is how my hair don't start to look. So the good thing is that it is still very moisturized. Because before I did it, I used the Forest Head Queens I think it's all over butter, I'll perpetuate right here. So I was expecting for my hair to be moisturized, you know, after I take these things out because hello. Yeah. But yeah boy. Let me see how this is gonna go all year. Alright, so I'm gonna do a cute little time lapse and thing. Me gonna sit down and do this forever. I'm gonna put on some music. And I will come back to all when I like halfway through my hair because all year it'll be easy. Good thing that sets get like about a half inch of it, so beautiful. Because I usually average like half inch to an inch of hair growth a month. So let me go to this, look at some TV or something, catch up on some. Oh, I catch up on the Real Housewives of Dubai. All I have not watched, like, what is call that? Like, what is call that? There's a sitcom. What is that? Reality TV in months. So I'll catch up on that while I take off my hair because this gonna be a while. Alright, so I just finished shampoo my hair and stuff. Yo, my hair has gotten thicker. Oh, I don't know if I remember how thick it was because it was a brace forward, but yes, and the growth is there. So this is the brush I was talking about. So you only have like the Unbrush that has been like that went viral on TikTok a while back. I see plenty guys have like a dupe to it, which is like this. So I'm gonna try it out and see if it was worth the coins. So it was $20 for it. Yeah, it says what reduces hair breakage. This brush curves with your hair, has soft round tips. So yeah, they said your hair will be soft and smooth after using this product. We'll see. So I'm going to put my hair into form and we'll go from there. I am using my Design Essentials almond butter deep conditioner, moisturizing deep conditioner. I just did a protein treatment. This one nearly finished, like, yeah. So I have another one. I am going to be adding the Shade Naturals Shine and Break Prevention oil into it. I know, yes, but I love these products so it's cool. So yeah, let me do that and then I'll come back to this. Alright, so this has been sectioned off. So I am going to put in my deep conditioner into my hair. It is one thing my hair is really like drink up this deep conditioner. And it's my hair so nice and like moisturized when I'm finito. Okay. Small ends. Small damn things. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so let me go. I'll obviously start from the bottom and go up. But let's see. Alright, just now, wait. That was a little too easy. Just now, hold up, wait a minute. Now granted, this deep conditioner does have a lot of slip, which is why I love it as well. But all of that was like really good. That was really good. I am impressed. Let me not talk too fast, but that actually was not horrible. Alright, all it is not snagging on my hair like at all. Now please remember, my deep conditioner has a good bit of slip. And anyhow I take it, I don't detangle my hair on dry hair, so. But all this is going very well. So let me do the next side and I'll come back to all with my thoughts. Alright, so these are my final thoughts on this product. Y'all, I like it. For $20, it is doing the damn thing. Okay, like I would say this is a close dupe for that Unbrush. My only issue is that the handle itself, the material, is not very conducive to like having product on your hand and you know, detangling your hair. And you know us natural girlies, we don't detangle on dry hair. So our hand will always have some kind of moisture. Like my hand kept slipping off and stuff. So I had to hold it like this, literally, to be able to like get a proper grip on it, to be able to pass it through my hair. It doesn't snag my hair. All the hair that came out of this had like little white bobs. And so it was shed hair, it wasn't breakage, which is like beautiful. Yeah. Now keep in mind I use conditioners with slip, so obviously it would have had some help, but I have used other detangling tools in the past, and even with the help it is still like, you know, play the fool. And I detangle my hair in under 8 minutes, which is like good, you know. So I would say it's a good investment. It's literally $20 at Pennywise. I hope by the time this video goes up the price doesn't go up as well. But yeah, so this what you're looking for. This, yeah, I would say it is like a good dupe for the Unbrush. Like from the videos I've seen, this is like a good dupe. Obviously I don't have the original because I don't have that kind of money to spend, so no. But yeah, I would recommend this for persons with my hair texture. Let me put it out there. For persons with my hair texture, if your hair texture is tighter than mine, so if you have like tightly coiled hair, I cannot say if this will work or not. But if you have my texture hair and looser, you'll be fine. So yeah, this gets, you know, the stamp of Gabby approval. I told you. I know meet up with daddy because we had to go tropical. Hey, copyright. Because we had to go tropical to clear some stuff that he bringing. And I had to go. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to get my nephew because he'll be by me this weekend. So I'm going to get jobs and almost like get something to eat, and then back home. Yeah, back home. Jub. Hello. What you doing? You dancing? Your little crocs? Yeah. What? Alright, so yesterday I went ABC home to get some of the drawer organizers for my kitchen drawers, or just now. So yeah, for my kitchen drawers with like my spoons and things. So I got two of them. I got this clear one and this white one. I would have preferred to get two in the clear because I think that would be like the best bet, but they didn't have it. They only had like one. So this was $125. This one was $30. So I'm going to organize because like these drawers, no, it's like, yeah, is a no. So I'm going to organize that and I will show you all how it looks afterwards. Alright, so this is how we're looking now. Nice and, you know, organized, and it's that. So obviously all the pot spoons here, well, the taller ones and the ice thing, the shorter pot spoons, the knives, ice, what is it called this? I don't know, but I use this for ice. The openers and little measuring cups here, and then these are the bigger ones, and whatever this is, I honestly don't know what this is. But yeah, so you have it nice and organized, y'all. And then I have this with the knives and the spoons. I realized this could like go on top of this. like so. So like if I had more cutlery, I can like literally just buy a next one of this and put it right there and have it like this. So like when you open my drawer, it have like 4 compartments, but I don't need all that right now because all I have is this. So yeah, we get to go here, man. Whoa. Okay, yo, so that's the end of that day. All I feel so happy. Like, all I have no idea. Just seeing everything like in its own little space is just make me so happy. I like shit to be organized. Like that's the long and short of it all. Sometimes I really think I have OCD, you know, because yeah. I just like things a certain way. That's just how it is. So you guys, thank you guys so much for watching this week's video. Let's strike up some conversations in the comment section. And I will see you guys in my next one.